चन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। पंखा नहीं, पंखा नहीं। श्री श्री चैतन्य चरितामृतम मध्य लीला 16th chapter. Continuing, we also discuss Lila Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Nityananda he should he should not come every year in Navadvip Dham. प्रत्येक वर्ष नीलाचले तुम्हें ना शिवा गौरी रही मोर इच्छा सफल करिवा। कहाँ सिद्धि करे जे करे हेन अन्य ना देखिए हमार दुष्कर कर्म तुम्हारी ते है। नित्यानंद कयामी देह तुम्हें प्राण भिन्न नहीं यही तो प्रमाण। अचिंत शक्ति कर तुम्हें ताहार घटन जे कहो से करी नहीं कन्यान। तारे विदाय दिल प्रभु करी आलिंगन এই মত বিদায় দিল সব ভক্তগণ। বলিন দাস গ্রামের পূর্ববৎ করিল নিমন্ত্রণ প্রভু আজ্ঞা করো আমার কর্তব্য সাধন। প্রভু করে বৈষ্ণব সেবা নাম সংকীর্তন দুই কর শীঘ্র পাবি শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চরণ। So now coming this way. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu continue, you can perform a task that even I cannot do. But for you I cannot find anyone in Gauradesh who can fulfill my mission there. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission is to deliver the fallen souls of his age in this age of Kali, particularly cent percent of the population is fallen. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu certainly delivered many fallen souls, but his disciples, many came from the upper classes. For example, he delivered Sri Rup Sanatan, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya and many others who were socially elevated but fallen from the spiritual point of view. Sri Rupa and Sanatan were situated in government service. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya was topmost scholar of India. Similarly, Prakashananda Saraswati was a leader of many thousands of Mayavadi sannyasis. It was Srila Nityananda Prabhu, however, also delivered a person like Jagai and Madhai. Therefore, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Amar duskar karma toma hoite hai. Here Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very humble, he told, Ye Amar duskar karma toma hoite hai. That means, which is difficult for me, but that you can perform and successful all your activities. Though Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu delivered Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, Prakashananda Saraswati, they are Mayavadis, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu delivered to them. And also Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he also delivered Rupa and Sanatan from their household life, because Rupa and Sanatan they also engaged in the duties or responsibilities of King Hussain Shah, and Mahaprabhu also delivered them from the classes of the household duties. But Nityananda Prabhu, it was Srila Nityananda Prabhu, however, who delivered a person like Jagai and Madhai. Therefore, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Amar duskar karma toma hoite hai. Jagai Madhai were delivered solely by Nityananda Prabhu's mercy. When they injured Nityananda Prabhu, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu angry and decided to kill them with his Sudras, with his Sudarshan Chakra. But Nityananda Prabhu saved him from the Lord's words and delivered them in the incarnation of Gaur. And Nityananda Lord is not supposed to kill two demons, but he is supposed to deliver them by preaching Krishna consciousness. one day I told how Nityananda Prabhu so much mercy to all the living entities. And sometimes Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became angry, but Nityananda Prabhu is called Aplodha Paramananda. Aplodha means he never becomes angry. So in this case of Jagai and Madhai, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was so angry that he would have immediately killed them. But Nityananda Prabhu was so kind that he not only saved them death of but elevated them in the transcendental position. Thus it was not possible for Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was carried out by Nityananda Prabhu. Similarly, if one true to go and Nitai service in the disciple of succession, he can even excel Nityananda Prabhu's service. This is the process of disciple succession. Nityananda Prabhu delivered Jagai and Madhai, but a servant of Nityananda Prabhu by his grace and can deliver many thousands of Jagai and Madhai. Those who are coming in the succession of Gaur and Nityananda Prabhu. So here in this purport explained, especially in this Kali Yuga, thousands, Jagai and Madhai, Western country, not only one. Nityananda Prabhu, he delivered only one Jagai and Madhai. Those are Dankar. But Western countries, how many?
Also India. Also India. India and
Many. So here Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj in his purport, he also explained by the grace, but a servant of Nityananda Prabhu by his grace can deliver many thousands of Jagai and Madhai. Western country everywhere. India also there, but not so much. Not public, they are drinking the alcohol. But Western country, if you go, everywhere. And this is to be nonsense. Half naked and drinking alcohol and still this. So for this regard, Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj in his purport very clearly explained, but the servant of Nityananda Prabhu by his grace can deliver many thousands of Jagai and Madhais. That is the special benediction of the disciple succession. One who is situated in the disciple succession can be understood by the result of his activities. This is always true as far as the activities of the Lord and his devotees are concerned. Therefore, Lord says, आराधना सर्वेशां विष्णु आराधनम परम तस्मात् परतरम देवी तदीय नाम समर्चन। आराधना सर्वेशां विष्णु आराधनम परम तस्मात् परतरम देवी तदीय नाम समर्चन। Of all types of worship or worship Lord Vishnu is the best. And better than the worship of Lord Vishnu is the worship of devotees, the Vaishnava. By the grace of Vishnu, Vaishnava can render better service than Vishnu. This is the special and prerogative of Vaishnava. The Lord actually wants to see His servants and works more glorious than, however, intends to the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Shri Krishna provoked Arjuna to fight, and because all the warriors on the battlefield were to die by Krishna's plan, Krishna himself did not want to take credit. Rather, he wanted Arjuna to take credit. Therefore, he asked him to fight and win the fame. How do you understand? Understand or not? Why there is verse Aradhanam Sarvesam Vishnu Aradhanam Param Tasmat Paratram Devim Tadyonam Samarchaya. Once Devi Parvati asked to Lord Shiva, may you honestly tell to me, who is our worshipful deities? Worship to whom? That time Shivji told her, Devi Parvati, listen very, very carefully. This is very confidential things. Aradhana Sarvesam Vishnu Aradhanam Param. There are many worshipful deities in this material world. It's true. Because different peoples, they worship different their Ishtadevas. But topmost worshipful deity, that is called Vishnu. Vishnu Aradhanam Param. Because this is the spontaneous nature of the living entities. Jive Swarupa Krishna Nityadas. All the living entities, they are eternally servant of Lord Krishna. So, Vishnu Seva, to serve to Lord Vishnu, to worship to Lord Vishnu, this is the best. It is true. But I will tell you another thing very carefully. This is very confidential. Gujja, Gujjatara and Gujjatama. Gujja means confidential. Gujjatara, more confidence, and Gujjatama means most confidential things. So what is the most confidential things? You have to worship the lotus feet of Lord Vishnu, those who are very near and dearest to Lord Vishnu. विष्णु के जो अत्यंत प्रिय जन जो है उसकी सेवा ही ये confidential things, most confidential things. So here explained in this way. ये आराधनम सर्वेषां विष्णु आराधनम परम तस्मात् परतम देवी तद्योनम सर्व समाचरम. Lord can deliver to everybody, this is true. But Lord, He does not want to His own credit. Lord, He gives the credit to His devotee. That means in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Krishna, He can kill to everybody because He has Sudarshan Chakra. In the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Krishna just He promised in front of Duryodhana. When Duryodhana came and Duryodhana asked to Krishna, you have to take part my side. That time Krishna told, So I am useless person. Why? Because I took vow in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, I will not hold any weapon. Well, I will not hold any. Well, he told these things. Well, Duryodhana is thinking, so what? This is true. He is a useless person. If you will not hold the weapons, so what will do in the battlefield of Kurukshetra? Kurukshetra, there is a battlefield. In the battlefield, you will not hold any weapons, so what will do there? युद्ध क्षेत्र में जाकर के यदि युद्ध ही नहीं किया, अस्त्र धारण नहीं किया, तो बेकार आदमी है दुर्योधन। Krishna is Bhagavan. He can kill to everybody with his Sudarshan Chakra. But Krishna, he does not want his own credit. Here also purport explained this way. His servant worked more gloriously than himself. For instance, in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, and Krishna provoked Arjuna to fight because of all the warriors on the battlefield were to die by Krishna's plan. Krishna's plan is what? In the battlefield Kurukshetra, everybody had to die. So Krishna himself did not want to take credit, rather he wanted Arjuna to take credit. Therefore, he asked him to fight and win fame. So Krishna, he gives all the credit to his devotee. So for this regard, Shivji he told, you have to give first worship who is very nearest and dearest of Guru, nearest and dearest of Krishna. Tasmat Partam Devi Tadyanam Samarchanam. Tadya means very nearest and dearest of Krishna. That is called Guru Pada. Jasya Devi Parabhakti Jatha Devi Tatha Guru Tasyaite Kadita Jata Prakasanite Mahatma. Jasya Devi Parabhakti. If you have Parabhakti with Guru, then you achieve your perfection goal. So Jasya Devi Parabhakti Jatha Devi Tatha Guru. So Parabhakti first towards Guru and same Parabhakti is going towards Krishna. Jasya Devi Parabhakti Jata Devi Tatam Tasyate Kuta Jata Prakasante Mahatma. So in this way, Ved Puran everywhere glorifies about Guru Pada. In the same way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very humble, he told to Nityananda. Because Nityananda Prabhu actually called Guru Tattva. Yeah. Akhanda Guru Tattva Nityananda Prabhu. So that's the Supreme Personality of Godhead gives credit to a devotee who performs any heavy task and perfectly. Every Hanumanji, Brajaranga the servant of Lord Ramchandra serves another example. Ramchandra is Bhagavan. But Ramchandra he built the bridge over the ocean with his monkeys, especially Hanuman. So everybody knows Hanuman and monkeys, other monkeys, they build the bridge over the ocean. Actually, in this way, Lord, He gives the credit to His devotee. This is the nature of Lord. And in Ram Leela, everybody delivered. A Hanuman, he crossed the ocean, just taking his name. Hanuman कैसे समुद्र के लंघ किया, लंघा कैसे? Just Sri Ram, then he jumped over the ocean and arrived in Sri Lanka. And then same, his master Lord Ram, he is crossing the ocean and over the bridge which is built by Hanuman. So in this way, Lord, He gives the credit to His devotee. So here different example as given. It was Hanumanji also jumped over the sea in one leap and reached in the shore of Lanka, from the shore to Bharatvarsha. When Lord Ramchandra chose to go there, he prayed away with stone and threw by his whip and the stones and able to float on the sea. Then this purport explained. Hanuman just he took the stone and threw in the water of the ocean, then the stone floated. How possible? Then this is the glories of the holy names, Nam Mahatma. In this way, Lord, He glorifies through His devotees. Hari se bada Hari ka naam. Hari name is higher than Lord Sri Hari. Though there are no difference between holy names and Sri Hari. नाम चिंतामणि कृष्ण चैतन्य रस विग्रह पूर्ण शुद्ध नित्य मुक्त अभिन्नत्वात् नाम नाम. So in this way, Lord, He gives the credit to His devotee. If we simply follow Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instruction and follows in the footsteps of Nityananda Prabhu, this Krishna consciousness movement can advance, and even more difficult task can be performed by the preachers and remaining faithful of the service of the Lord. Because here previous class also explained, so preaching the Krishna consciousness is higher than to stay in Dham. We heard these things. People are mostly devotees think, no, I want to stay in Dham, Vrindavan, Jagannath Puri, Navadvip Dham. But what will do there? Conditions so they have no realization about Dham. What will do to stay in Dham? Eating, sleeping. What will do there? They have no realization about Dham. Who can stay in Dham? When you deeply analyze those are high class, exalted, elevated Vaishnava, Uttam Bhagavad. And Uttam Bhagavad, where he resides, there is Dham. These things. But sometimes Uttam Bhagavat, very humble, he say, no, I will have to stay in Dham. Sometimes Uttam Bhagavat's activities just imitate the Kanishta Adhikari. Kanishta Adhikaris imitate the Uttam Adhikari's activities. This is, understand or not? Because Uttam Bhagavat is saying, no, I will stay in Dham. Because Uttam Bhagavat has realized this. As like Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad or Jiva Goswami Pad, life history hard, then Uttam Mahabharata. Then once one debate was going in Agra, in the council of King Akbar Badshah. Who is higher, Jamuna Devi or Ganga? That time many scholars, persons, they discuss and they give the examples, evidence from Shastra. One by one they also gave examples. Some told Jamuna Devi is higher, or some told Ganga Devi is higher. But that time King Akbar Badshah, he called Jiva Goswami Pad. You please come in Agra, in this council of Pandit Sabha. That time Jiva Goswami Pad told, I don't want to leave Vrindavan. At least night time I have to stay in Vrindavan. Jiva Goswami Pad, he told. That time no any other conveyance, no buses, no other things, no car, no buses. Maybe only go and on the back of the horses. घोड़े की पीठ में बैठ कर जा सकते. So for this regard, Jiva Goswami Pad told, I can't leave Vrindavan. That time Akbar Badshah, Muslim king, he arranged, okay, before sunset, I will bring you from Agra to Vrindavan. So Jiva Goswami Pad, he came in the council of King Akbar Badshah and he discussed these things, this subject. Who is higher? The Jamuna Devi, she is higher than Ganga. Simple way. Because Ganga Devi, she is called the maid servant of Krishna. And Jamuna Devi, she is called Maharani, Patrani. Jamuna Maharani. So you simply understand queen and servant. And Ganga Devi is manifested from the food bathing water of Lord Vamandev. And Jamuna Devi, she is the direct manifestation of Visakha Devi. And Visakha, she is the very near dear Srimati Radhika Sati. Yes? So, and then Jiva Goswami Pad also concluded, you cannot to neglect to Ganga Devi. Actually, two sisters both are there. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also performed sweet Leela in Navadvip Dham, in Ganga. So in this way, Jiva Goswami Pad very nicely reconciled about this subject and in that place. So that means question is that Uttam Bhagavat, only they can reside in Dham. And Uttam Bhagavat, they can stay anywhere, that is the Dham. As Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, one in his class, he also praying in New York. Don't you think I am staying in America? Or I am staying in Vrindavan? He told, his very nice, beautiful lecture, he told, I am staying in Vrindavan. So in this context, just here also we discuss these things. Sometimes Uttam Bhagavad internal things are Kanishta devotees, they accept the external things. Think I am staying in Vrindavan. Why are you staying in Vrindavan? You have no idea. Once one devotee of Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, he told, I want to stay in Radha Kunda. Because Rupa Goswami Pad in Upadesamritam explained, Vaikuntad Janito Vara Madhupuri. Tatrapi Rasotsava Vrindavan Mudrapani Govardhana. In this verse explained. The Radha Kunda is topmost. Who does not want to stay in Radha Kunda? He is saying, Ka Viveki no. Who is intelligent person, he has to stay in Vrindavan. Stay in Radha Kunda. I will stay in Vrindavan. You go to Govardhan to Radha Kunda. Then, so for this regard, one disciple of Bhaktivinoda Swami Maharaj, he told him, Gurudev, I want to live in Radha Kunda. That time Swami Maharaj told, no, you are not qualified to stay in Radha Kunda. If you go to Radha Kunda, maybe you will stay in Naraka Kunda. Naraka Kunda, understand? Naraka Kunda means the place of hellish, Naraka Kunda. Because you have no idea. Committed offense. He told this. Uttam Bhagavad, they can stay in Radha Kunda. They can understand and absorb the bhajan and sadhana. And if you stay in Radha Kunda, what you do? You cannot do bhajan and sadhana. Every day you cannot chant also 64 rounds. 1 लाख प्रणाम नहीं कर सकते. तो राधा कुंड में क्या बस करें? If you want to stay in Dham, every day you have to chant 1 lakh Guru and read Shastra, Sar, Guru and Vaishnava. So what do you do? To bhajan and sadhana. So why you are eager to stay in Radha Kunda? So now, here Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj in his purport very clearly explained. नित्यानंद कहे आमी देह तुम्हें प्राण भिन्न नहे यही तो प्रमाण. Nityananda Prabhu replied, O Lord, you are the life and I am the body. There is no difference between the body and life itself, but life is more important than the body. Nowadays, most of the devotees, they want to stay in Vrindavan or Radha Kunda, the topmost place. But what is the topmost place to stay? There is Harikatha Sadhu Sangha. Jekhane Vaishnavgণ, সেইখানে Vrindavan, Nattam Das Thakur explained. There is Suddha Vaishnavas and Harikatha. There is the Vrindavan. There is the topmost place. Harikatha, that is called Vrindavan. If you know Harikatha, what will do there? Many also devotees staying in Vrindavan, they have no taste to listen to Harikatha. Just taking one japa mala and going this Tihar place and doing every day work, doing parikrama. Which is the best? Harikatha is the topmost. As a sadhu sangha. Because Kanishta Adhikari, Nephi devotee, they don't want to enter the deep philosophy. But just they imitate the Uttam Bhagavad. As like Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad Uttam Bhagavad, every day he did Vrindavan Parikrama. We think, oh, I will do also. Sanatana Goswami Pad, every day he did Govardhan Parikrama. Sanatana Goswami Pad. Sanatana is excellent also. He all his bhajan sadhana is super excellent. He was staying in Madan Mohan Ghara Vrindavan, then going to Govardhan on foot. पैदल पैदल जाते थे. कहाँ? वृंदावन से गोवर्धन. Sanatana Goswami Pad, every day he used to go Vrindavan to Giriraj Govardhan. Then Giriraj Govardhan he did parikrama, 21 kilometers. 21 mil. 21 miles. Then again come back in Mathura. And here also taking some alms, bhiksha, madhukari. Then night time return back to Vrindavan and chanting holy name. Could you do this? If you do this parikrama, then your life will be successful. You cannot go also Vrindavan here to Mathura 10 kilometers on foot. So what will do parikrama? So, Uttam Bhagavad is possible. It is not possible for us. If you go here to on foot Vrindavan, Vrindavan to Giriraj Govardhan, what is it? Vrindavan to Giriraj Govardhan, again return back to Mathura. अब ये परिक्रमा लगते हैं ना, 3 वन की परिक्रमा है. Here in Vrindavan, here in Braj, one tradition in month of Kartik, that is called 3 forest and parikrama, circumvented the 3 forests. Just before finished our Kartik Vrat, in that the last Ekadashi, that is called Utthan Ekadashi. There is Gurukul Das Babaji Maharaj disappearance something that time. That time also Braj tradition, they are doing parikrama, Mathura, Vrindavan and Giriraj Govardhan. क्या लगता है? So try to understand, here also explain this way. The moment this Krishna consciousness movement can advance and even more difficult tasks can be performed by preachers remaining faithful to the service of Lord. So that means with the best service to preach to the people. And how they come in Krishna consciousness and fulfill the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Fulfill the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Some people are very proud. Oh, I am staying Vrindavan doing bhajan and sar. What you are doing bhajan and sar? एक श्लोक आता नहीं है, एक तत्व सिद्धांत जानते ही नहीं है, वृंदावन में रह रहे हैं. This is nothing. नित्यानंद कहयामी देह तुमी प्राण, देह प्राण भिन्न नहीं यही तो प्रमाण. Nityananda Guru replied, "O my Lord, you are the life and I am the body. There is no difference between the body and life itself. But life is more important than the body. अचिंत शक्ति करो तुम्हें ताहर घटन, जे कराओ से करी नहीं कर नियम. By your inconceivable energy, you can do whatever you like, and whatever you make me do, I do without and restriction. In the state, as stated in beginning of Srimad Bhagavatam, Tena Brahmo Siddha Adi Kavai, the Lord Brahma is the first living creature within his universe, and he is also the creators of universe. How is this possible? Although he is the first living entity, Lord Brahma is not in the categories of Vishnu Tattva. Rather, he is the part of Jiva Tattva. Brahma ji is called Jiva Tattva. Nityananda Prabhu is called Bhagavad Tattva. But here Nityananda Prabhu is saying, I am body, you are soul. This is him. Conditioned soul, two things, body and soul. Ar Bhagavad Tattva Bhagavan Deha Dehi Vidanasti. Which Bhagavan, and his body and soul, none for you. Understand? But Nityananda Prabhu, very humble, just he saying, I am Jiva Tattva. But Nityananda is not Jiva Tattva. हमारे विदाय दिल करी प्रभु आलिंग तारे विदाय दिल प्रभु करी आलिंगन এই মত বিদায় দিল সভক্তগণ। In this way, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu embraced Nityananda Prabhu and bade him farewell. He then bade farewell to all the other devotees. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructed to him, you have to go Bengal and preach there. Which they will stay in front of Guru or to preach all over the world. Which is the best? Understand? Preach all over the world. But in the beginning you have to listen Hari Katha. If you not listen Hari Katha, so how to preach also? Then question is come. In the beginning, you have to learn Shastra. I just remember here, once in Navadvip Dham Parikrama, one meeting was going on in Navadvip Devananda Gauri Math. And that time some sannyasis, they also complained to Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj. They told, in Mathura there are so many qualified brahmacharis are there. So why they are staying in Mathura? They have to come in Bengal and preach. Why they are staying in Mathura? In the meeting Gurudev was there. Then Gurudev told, when they will be mature, they will come automatically. When they matured, when they learn Shastra, then they can preach. And if you have no Shastra again, how to preach also? आप प्रचार करने के लिए एक व्यक्ति पूछे गौड़िया क्या है बताओ, गौड़िया मठ से गौड़िया क्या है? If you go to preach, if someone asked, so where you come from? So I have come from Gaudiya Math. What is the Gaudiya? Eh? If you have no knowledge about this Shastra, you cannot also preach also. Eh? Gurudev very nicely explained in the meeting, I remember this. Eh? So that means few months, few years, you have to stay one place in front of elevated sadhu and Vaishnava and learn Shastra. Then you can preach. As like this is our parampara also, as like Narottam, Shyamananda, Srinivas. They learn all Shastra from Jiva Goswami Pad in Vrindavan. Then, according to the instruction of Jiva Goswami Pad, they Narottam, Shyamananda, Srinivas, they preach Bengal, Orissa and Manipur. Narottam Das Thakur, he preached Manipur. Shyamananda Prabhu, he preached in Orissa. Narottam Srinivas Thakur, Srinivas Acharya, he preached in Bengal. So first learn Shastra from elevated sadhu, guru and Vaishnava. Or if you have no knowledge of Shastra, so how to properly preach? If you have no idea to how to wash the hand, after passing the water, how to wash the hand? So how will preach? So this is also another question. You have to learn Shastra, Shastra can. And this Shastra should be learned from elevated sadhu, guru. Learn. This is important. पैखाना के बाद उसका हाथ धोना नहीं आता है, पेशाब के बाद जिसको शौच करना नहीं आता है, शौच जानते हो? आधा लोग तो पेशाब के बाद जो है हाथ धोता नहीं है और पेशाब के दार भी धोते नहीं। अब मंदिर में क्या करें? मंदिर में पूजा करेंगे कैसे? आफ्टर गोइंग टू टॉयलेट or passing the water, you have to clean everything with the water. You have no this idea. So how to worship Thakurji? This is very important. So this is the primary regulation, rules you have to learn. This is very important. So that means is what? You learn some Shastra Gyan, Suddha Sadachar, then you can preach. And the first rules in our Keshav Gaudiya Math, if any neophyte devotee will come, first he have to clean our temple. His duty is that. Clean the pot, clean the temple, this is. When you will take Harinam, then little bit advance. After Diksha, when you taking Diksha initiation, Gayatri Mantra, then first he have to cook, go to the kitchen. Then second stage, you have to worship Thakurji. This is the step by step. Because you have to learn Shastra, Suddha Sadachar. Or who has no knowledge of Suddha Sadachar, are direct going to the worship to Thakurji, that will be offense, aparat. This is the thing. So here Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj very clearly explained, you have to preach, this is true. But how to preach? Learn Shastra. So I remember Gurudev told in that in the meeting, because some sannyasis they complain, or here Mathuras that more than 20 brahmacharis here. All they are learned, they are Shastra. So that's why they are staying in Vrindavan, staying in Mathura. They have to come in Bengal and preach. That time Gurudev told, not they are mature. When you distribute the prasad, rice, when rice completely cooked, if rice is not cooked, before cooked the rice, if you distribute, then no one can eat. In the same way, you have to learn Shastra under guidance of Vaishnava. Sometimes I will chastise you. I learn Shastra. Shastra Gyan, this is important. Then you fulfill the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu desires you. You have to preach. Prithivite Achajata Nagaradi Gram Sarvatra Prachar Hui Moor Naam. Mahaprabhu, this is the desire of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And everybody should preach my mission. But how to preach the mission? You have to practice, then preach. Achar and Acharan. Just I told you. If you want to preach, then you have to learn what is the meaning of Gaudiya. What is the meaning of Gaudiya? Huh? Gaudiya means is what? First, those who are followers of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gauda. Gaur Sundar, those who are followers of Sachidananda Gaur Hari. The simple meaning. Gaudiya. There are many meanings of. At topmost highest meaning, Srimati Radhika's one name is called Gauri. Gauri means one's complexion, face complexion. So those who are followers of Srimati Radhika, that is called Gauri. So in this way, you have to learn Shastra and serve Guru and Vaishnava. This is the process. Kulin Grami Bhaktavat Kailap Niveda Tare Vidayur Guryalingan, Imota Vidayur Sabhaktagan, Kulin Grami Purbavat, Kaila Nivedan, Prabhuadga Karaman, Kartabha Palan. As in the previous years, one of the inhabitants of Kulin Gram submitted a petition to the Lord saying, "My Lord, kindly tell me what my duty is, that how I should execute it." प्रभु कहे वैष्णव सेवा नाम संकीर्तन दुई कर शीघ्र पावे श्री कृष्ण चरण. Very important. प्रभु कहे वैष्णव सेवा. The Lord replied, "You should engage yourself in the service of the servant of Krishna and always chant the holy names of Krishna. If you do these two things, you will very soon attain the shelter at Krishna's lotus feet." Gaur Premanandi. Vaishnava Seva, Nam Sankirtan. Vaishnava Seva. And chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. तेह कहे के वैष्णव कीतार लक्षण तबे हंसी कहे प्रभु जानितार मन. Then they asked, "Who is Vaishnava?" And you order me to serve to Vaishnava. But who is Vaishnava? What is the symptom of Vaishnava? The inhabitant of Kulin Gram said, "Please let me know who is actually a Vaishnava and what is the symptoms are." Understanding his mind, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu smiled and gave the following reply. Tomorrow we will discuss. Ke Vaishnava? Who is Vaishnava? Gaur Premanandi. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna. Achar and acharan. Achar means behave. Acharan through activity. Activities and behave and activities. Behave.
Behavior is an activities. What do you mean?
Huh?
Behavior, okay, acharan is an acharan activities.
Acharan. Achar and acharan. Behave and activities. Yeah? What is your behavior? What?
प्रभु जी कहते थे नींबू का अचार
नींबू का अचार. Hey.
नींबू का अचार आम का अचार
आम का अचार, नींबू का अचार. हाँ, लान शास्त्र.